Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I hope to make Korean kimchi stew, kimchi jjigae soup. Today I use these ingredients for soup. I use beef stock today, 750 ml beef stock, 1 spoon sugar, 1 spoon red pepper paste, red pepper flakes 1 spoon, and little salt. Tofu 50 gram, beef tenderloin I use 100 gram, and 150 kimchi. I will add kimchi 150 because more quantity I need for this. If you don't know how to make kimchi, you can follow my channel and you can see how I make that one. I show you already. And I use vegetables, spring onion and garlic also. Okay, let's see how to make this one. I will show you how to make. Okay, let's cut vegetables. I will add 50 gram onion. Forty gram spring onion, and I chop garlic. You can see what is the ingredients for kimchi stew. I will show you how to cook. Already ready my items. Let's see how to cook. I will saute garlic first. I add little oil. Then I saute garlic. Now I add onion. Now I add beef. Now I add kimchi. Now I add red pepper paste. Red pepper flakes. Little bit salt. 1 spoon sugar. And little bit sesame oil. Now I add beef stock. I add black pepper also. I will add spring onion. Now I add tofu. Already cooked my kimchi stew. You can see how is my kimchi stew. Come and enjoy with us. This soup is spicy, sweet and sour and savory. It's very famous in Kuwait, very famous in all country and Korea. I hope to bring more videos for you. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.